Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is careers in biology. In this topic we study about the different careers. That is, the first one is medicine and surgery. Medicine. After studying biology, we can choose medicine as a career in future. Medicine is related about the diagnosis and treatment of different diseases. As a physician, जब आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, वो एक फिजिशियन होता है, वो आपसे साइन सिम्टम्स डिजीज़ के बारे में पूछता है, वो डायग्नोस करता है एंड एज अ रिज़ल्ट फिर उसके बाद मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्राइब करता है और इस तरह डिजीज़ की ट्रीटमेंट करता है. In field of medicine, you can also have a choice, that is surgery. Surgery is also a career in biology. What happens in surgery? As a surgeon, we can repair the different body parts and replace the different defective parts. So, medicine and surgery is a career in biology. The second is fisheries. What is fisheries? Fisheries is also the profession related to the production of fish. It is also one of the career we can choose after studying biology in future. Fishery managers work in fish hatcheries and study fish habitats, nutrition requirements, genetics and diseases to raise fish production. So, we can choose fisheries after completing a bachelor or master degree in zoology. The third one is agriculture. A biologist can also opt his or her career as an agriculturalist who deals with crops and livestock. What is livestock? Livestock means domestic animals. In agriculture, in Pakistan, there are agriculture universities where one can do professional courses in agriculture after higher secondary educations. Agriculturists may work in agriculture department, veterinary and pharmaceutical industries, food industries, farming, agricultural banks, etc. Now, the fourth one is animal science, which is also called animal husbandry. In animal science, we study about the breeding and raising of livestock. So, graduates of these courses work in veterinary hospitals, pharmaceutical industry, livestock department and pet food industry. What is veterinary? Veterinary hospitals, वो hospitals जहाँ पर जानवरों का इलाज किया जाता है, जहाँ पर जानवरों की बीमारियों का इलाज किया जाता है, ऐसे hospitals को हम veterinary hospitals कहते हैं और इस science को हम veterinary science भी कहते हैं. Now, the next one is horticulture. After higher secondary education, we can opt for a professional course in horticulture. Horticulturists can open businesses and find jobs in fruits and vegetable production, landscape design, nurseries, gardens, pest management. Number 6 is forestry. Forestry is concerned with managing and growing forests to provide timber and for wildlife habitat, recreation and biodiversity management. So, the forest officer work about the growing and managing forest. Number 7 is farming. In farming, farms are developed and maintained for animal breeding, poultry, fruit and vegetable production. In farmings, dairy farms are developed, poultry farms are developed. So, after studying biology, you can also choose farming as a career in future. Now, the next is forensic science. What is forensic science? Forensic science. The forensic biologists work in police department and other law enforcement agencies to detect criminals. Students, you know about the DNA test, you know about the postmortem. So these works these works are the forensic biologists who do these jobs. So forensic science is also one of the career. You can also choose forensic science in future after studying biology at higher secondary level. Now, पेनिसिलिन, व्हाट इज पेनिसिलिन? एक छोटा सा टॉपिक है करियर्स इन बायोलॉजी में, छोटा सा फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए पेनिसिलिन से रिलेटेड कि पेनिसिलिन क्या चीज़ है. पेनिसिलिन इज अ फर्स्ट एंटीबायोटिक विच इज डिस्कवर्ड इन 1928 एंड द फर्स्ट पेशेंट वाज सक्सेसफुली ट्रीटेड इन US in 1942. After the discovery of penicillin, it helped in reducing the number of deaths. इसी तरह एक और छोटा सा टॉपिक जो कि करियर्स इन बायोलॉजी से ही रिलेटेड है, दैट इज़ हेल्थ केयर. व्हाट इज़ हेल्थ केयर? एक्चुअली दिस इज़ अ पब्लिक हेल्थ कैंपेन्स. जब कोई डिजीज़, जब कोई बीमारी एक वबा की तरह एक फूट पड़ती है, तो जो बायोलॉजिस्ट हैं वो एक पब्लिक हेल्थ कैंपेन्स चलाते हैं और उनका मकसद होता है कि लोगों को अवेयर किया जाए बाय द हेल्प ऑफ मीडिया. लोगों को उसके साइंस सिम्टम्स बताए जाएं, लोगों को प्रिकॉशंस बताए जाएं और इसी तरह जो डेडली डिजीज़ होती है उस पर काबू पाया जाए. जैसे कि डेंगू फीवर, आजकल कोरोना वायरस है, तो इससे रिलेटेड मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की मालूमात फराहम की जाती हैं बाय द हेल्प ऑफ हेल्थ केयर. Actually, this is a public health campaigns. So this is all about the careers in biology.